Ever imagined a middleweight adventure bike powered by a 3-cylinder engine packed with European-level features, but at a much friendlier price? Meet the Zontes 703F, a new game-changer in the ADV world that's putting competitors on high alert. Curious about how wild and feature-packed this bike is? Keep watching. Design-wise, the Zontes 703F looks incredibly aggressive and ready to travel the globe. The body is muscular, built on a lightweight yet rigid double-beam aluminum chassis. The fuel tank? Massive at 22 liters, perfect for long-distance touring with an estimated range of over 400 kilometers. When it comes to features, Zontes is the king of giving extras. This bike features a full keyless system. The dashboard is a razor-sharp 6.75-inch TFT display with screen mirroring navigation. The craziest part? It has an electronically adjustable windshield, heated grips, a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, blind spot detection, rear radar, and even built-in front and rear dashcams straight from the factory. Seriously, it is fully loaded. Now, let's talk about its heartbeat. The Zontes 703F is powered by a 699 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 3-cylinder engine. It produces a punchy 95 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 76 newton-meters of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. The compression ratio is quite high at 13:1. The character of this 3-cylinder engine delivers solid low-end torque while maintaining a screaming top-end rush. Plus, it's equipped with a quickshifter for upshifts and a slipper clutch. The acceleration feels incredibly smooth and aggressive. For the underpinnings, Zontes isn't messing around. The front features 43mm Marzocchi upside-down forks, paired with a Marzocchi rear monoshock. Both are fully adjustable with 180mm of travel. The setup is incredibly comfortable for absorbing broken roads or gliding on smooth asphalt. It rolls on tubeless spoked wheels, 21 inches up front and 18 inches in the rear, the ideal setup for off-roading. The stock tires are Michelin Anakee Adventures. For braking, it uses J.Juan Radial 4-piston calipers up front with a dual-channel ABS system that can be switched off at the rear when you want to have some fun in the dirt. With a curb weight of around 236 kilograms and a seat height of 845 millimeters, this bike does require the right posture. But with all its premium features, a wild 3-cylinder engine and high-class suspension, the Zontes 703F offers unbelievable value for money in the middleweight ADV class. What do you guys think? Would you choose this or stick with European or Japanese ADVs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome automotive reviews. See you in the next video, and ride safe.